Hello everyone! By the way, my name is Janelle, one of the consultants here in Visa Center International. And for today, kasama po natin ngayon si Miss Marilyn, one of our approved clients in Student Visa Canada. Congratulations, ma'am!
Thank you po sa lahat.
By the way, saan niyo po pala nakita si Visa Center International?
First po, nag-search po ako through online. Then, I search in Facebook. Then, suddenly, I check all the numbers and I saw Ma'am Apple number. So, I just contact and message her.
Can you share to our viewers po kung paano po yung naging experience niyo sa process with Sir Ralph?
Sir Ralph, first muna sa consultant kay Ma'am Apple. Napaka, friendly. Then, lahat po ng question or inquiry about sa student. Then, so inano niya, in-explain niya from the bottom talaga. Kahit na, nakukulitan na siya sa akin, kahit na ano. So, in-explain niya lahat. Then, kay Sir Ralph naman, no comment, as in, very talented and very professional. So, from the start ng application ko, sa lahat ng mga requirements na need ko, so, sinabi niya, ginaid niya ako. Then, yun. Kaya andito ako at approve.
So, meaning to say, ma'am, yung process mo from start to finish is naging smooth yung transactions?
Yeah. Very smooth, excellent talaga. So, wala akong masasabi. So, sa mga talagang inspirable na magiging international student, so dito na sa Visa Center. Kasi napaka-smooth talaga and talented, very professional yung mga consultant, same time yung processing officer.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much sa pag-trust sa amin. Tapos, ano po yung masasabi mo sa ating mga inspiring applicants na gusto maging international students?
Sa mga kagaya kong nagbabalak pumunta ng Canada or as an international student, so dito na po kayo sa Visa Center. Sabi ko nga, napaka-smooth yung processing, tsaka yung future nyo secured talaga. Then, napaka-friendly. Yun lang masasabi ko.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Again, congratulations.
Tsaka salamat lahat talaga. Kasi at least, andito na ako. Yung isang dream ko is talagang natupad.
Thank you po. Congratulations again, ma'am.
Salamat po.
Immigrate to a first world country and live a good quality of life. Message us now.